Hey everyone, so how are you all? I hope everyone is doing fine. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, that is Doctor and Forex Trader, and we are here for another live session. As you people know, we are trading NAS 100 live on 5 minutes time frame, and we are using simple price action, and we are trying to pass our $10,000 funded challenge, right? The main goal, the main ideology behind this streaming, behind this program is to provide you the essence of real trading that very few people out there are providing you. I don't want to fake you, I don't want to give you fake expectations, right? I want to keep everything completely real and completely raw. All right, so let's start today's session without wasting much time. Let's proceed to our screens, and now you will be seeing the screens. Yeah, very good evening. All right, so now on the screen you are seeing the chart of NAS 100. All right, let's have a recap. So yesterday's trade was just simple stop loss hunting. I put the stop loss here, but actually it proceeded to this point, and see after that how beautifully it fell down. So everything was perfect except placing the stop loss. It was just simple liquidation sweep or stop loss hitting, you can say. Right, no problems. We are always in a controlled risk state, so we don't have any issue. All right. And this is the dashboard of our funded account. Right now we are minus 0.89% dollars, and our balance is 9911, right? These are yesterday's position. All right, almost $80 we lost. No issues. Right, let's clear all the previous drawings and let's start today's session. So we'll be starting with making the analysis. First we'll be starting with daily time frame. What you can see is exactly same scenario like yesterday. We can't say anything very clearly. It's higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Maybe may go for another higher high, or it may proceed down to make a lower low. No issues. Now 4 hour time frame. All right, let's see what's the scenario on 4 hour. So if you pick it from here, it's higher highs, lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. It's higher high and a lower low, and it seems like a lower high and may go for another lower low, or it may proceed here and then make another higher high. It is quite possible. You can't say anything very clear today. No problem. Now we will be shifting to 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour again, if you consider it on short term, let's see. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, equal lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, lower lows, equal high, higher low, lower high, and lower low. Maybe it may go like down like this, quite possible. So it's so called bearish on 1 hour time frame, so called bearish, not very clear. Let's shift to the most important time frame to mark our important levels or major levels. So this is the 15 minutes time frame. Just hold on, there's an important call coming. Yeah, so we are marking the major levels. Good evening, very good evening. Everything good, you tell. So let's mark the first level. I hope everyone can see it very clear. You mark yours, I'll mark mine, then see whether you are able to match with me or not. So one level is this. In fact, you can say a zone. Alright. So one we can use for intraday basis. This is also one more level. Clear? One level is this one. Right? So these three zones are the major zones for us today. Right, now we'll be shifting to 5 minutes time frame. See whether is there any highly important level that you can see on 5 minutes. Yeah, this one is also a level, but let's see later on. So we don't have any clear bias, right? Both side trades we are interested. Depends on the market price action, that's it. So as usual, very simple. It is falling down from here. Right, this is one bottom. If it forms another bottom, then with a bullish engulfing candle, we may look for a trade. It's a bullish trade, so let's make it green. Right, another one. If it breaks out downside as it is breaking out right now and gives us a retest, then we can look for a sell trade. As it is a sell, let's make it red. Clear? Third one, straight pumps up from here, so we may look for a double top. Let's see how market proceeds, then we'll decide whether we will be getting any trade or not. Our job is to make analysis and just wait for the proper time to execute your trade at the best possible level, right? So yesterday's trade worked out really nice after just stop loss hunting. It straight away fell down. And yesterday we provided a trade on GBP AUD on Instagram. You see how beautifully it worked out. This was the same concept which I was explaining you, that buying and selling pressure, and here almost I picked the analysis and I made it something like this, and see, bullseye. If anyone would have took entry anywhere near around this candle, an engulfing candle, I put a stop loss here below this rejection. It was easily a 1:5 6 trade. Alright, now just wait and watch and keep your patience. As you know, this is the most important thing in trading. Let's check whether there is any high impact news event today. Yeah, it's on GBP, so it won't matter much to us. As a trader, whenever you are sitting on screen, 95% of your time will pass in waiting only. Always remember that. It will take few minutes to make the analysis, it will take few seconds to place the order, and it will take few milliseconds to just exit the order, right? Everything else is just waiting, waiting, waiting. Either be it waiting for the target, either be it waiting for the stop loss, either be it waiting for your trade to get any entry. So you have to develop the habit of idly sitting and just observing the market. If you already have prior experience regarding your price action, like you don't need any further analysis of NAS 100, you are confident on your setup, then what you can do is you can do some productive works. You can read some good when it's your trading time, and always keep a very limited time for trading in your day. Don't keep on giving 5, 10, 11 hours a day. Like whole day you are sitting for trading, then it becomes a foundation, like not a freedom. At the end, result is always that same only, 5 6% a month max. That is also that's so much great. Not less, it's so much great. Like I have given a pre-decided time, just 1 2 hours a day for charts. That's it. So always keep your trading very simple. And always remember, there is no place for FOMO in this market, right? Fear of missing out. You should never, never feel this, because opportunities will be coming day in, day out regularly. Don't think that the one trade you missed due to some misinterpretation or anything is the last trade you will get, right? Opportunities will be knocking your door repeatedly. Even if you miss 1 2 3 10 100 trades, doesn't matter, right? So your mindset should be, this is just one single trade out of the lakhs of trades that I'll be trading in my whole career, right? So it doesn't matter much. In fact, not much, not even 1%, right? If you miss one trade or two trades or few trades. Whatever happens, you don't have to lose your mind. Main idea is this, right? Everything is meant to happen in this trading thing, and anything can happen. Until and unless you are following your rules, nothing bad will happen to you. If you break your rules, then it's possible you can blow your account in one trade. You can do some such things. But if you are following the rules, it is very unlikely that anything that kind of happens. In any scenario, whatever happens in the market, you don't have to break your rules, right? This is the first and foremost thing, that your rules are the rules. You don't even have to think of breaking them even once. We could have thought of taking this entry, but when I skipped this because I found that stop loss is too big. So that's why I was less interested, right? It's not that it'll surely hit the target, but I was interpreting something. But due to this big stop loss, see, 37 8 40 points approx, that's why I was not interested in taking this position. Otherwise, it was in the rules, it was kind of a double bottom and an engulfing candle, but as it is too big, so not very interested. If it breaks out, now what we can think is breaking out and a kind of a retracement or a retest and then a trade, right? A very good evening. How are you doing? So no clear indication till now, right? So we are just waiting. I'm not very much interested in opening a sell position right now because there's no point of opening the position on such a big candle. And psychologically, also, I'm not very confident on this kind of double top. What I personally feel is market should rise, seeing the chart events, but anything can happen. That's just my personal opinion. So if we get any bullish engulfing candle at this level, now we can think of buying if it is a sufficient size candle, not too big. So in this zone, it's clear manipulation going on, right? It is tempting again and again both buyers and sellers. As I told you, if we break this level, then we'll wait for a retest to take any trade, right? We'll not trade directly on the breakout. So till now, nothing very clear. Just waiting for any perfect entry, which we haven't got till now. If this candle is an engulfing candle and closes anywhere near here or here, I'll open a buy position. And if it closes on downside, then we'll wait for a retest. Yeah, so if this candle closes like this anywhere near here, then I'll be opening a buy position. Let me mark one line. So we'll open the position with a little less size as the stop loss is big, right? So I'll open it with 0.08 lot if it closes above this black line, right? All right, so I'm opening the position. So we have opened this trade, right? This will be the stop loss. This will be at least minimum target. All right, so this is our trade. We have opened it. Let's see if we get to pyramid, if it starts to work out. Right now you can't say anything clearly. 16707. So if we lost this around this stop loss, we'll be losing $67. I have placed the stop loss order using my mobile. This is the stop loss point. Cool. Let's see if I get an opportunity to show you pyramiding. Those who are new, I'll like to tell you that I minimum take risk reward of 1 is to 1.5, right? That is minimum. Maximum you can have anything, but at least this should be your minimum. This is my set of rules. There's no hard and fast thing behind this. So if we get this position, hit this 1.5 target, we'll be almost booking around $100 profit. And if we get to pyramid, that will depend on market scenario. You can't say anything clearly. Then we can have good profits. So it's kind right now running around $40 in profit. So what I'll be doing is I'll decide after hitting the target once, because I'm quite interested today in doing pyramiding and show you something interesting if market gives me the opportunity. Completely depends on the market conditions, and if it reverses then we can't say anything. Anyone, if anyone is trading with me and has opened any position, then if we hit the target, I will recommend you to close it at the target only, because for pyramiding you need a little expertise. I won't recommend you people to do it with me. First you should learn it, then you should do it, because there is a risk in that. So if anyone out there gets affected by such fluctuations and profits, like right now we are just trading $10,000, but when you get profitable, when you get confidence, you will be trading 100k, 200k accounts, and these fluctuations will be in $1,000, right? So you have to always be very calm and composed. This I am doing live trading to show you people. That's why I have kept my profit and loss screen inside to show you. Otherwise, I don't see regularly my profits and losses, right? Our job is to do good trading. Either we'll be booking target or we'll be booking loss. That's it. As I keep on repeating you things. So what I'll be doing is I am telling you in prior only. If we have a next green candle and it closes above this, I'll add more position size and I'll shift whole of the position stop loss below this red candle or below this, anywhere near here, right? I'll be doing my pyramiding. But if anyone is trading with me, I won't recommend you to do this. If we hit target, just simply book the target and move out. Good. With time, you will get patience for sure. There's huge concepts behind pyramiding and such things. If anyone learns to do it, it's really great and it really helps a lot to make good profits. Although your win rate decreases, but your win size increases. Market is very well consolidating in this zone. It is neither breaking out, breaking up or down. It is just revolving in this zone. Still, it is very much possible we hit a stop loss also, right? That's why I keep on saying until you book your profit, it is never yours. Until you book your loss, it is never yours. So if this green candle closes above the opening of this red candle, I'll add a little more position size. And I'm repeating, I'll shift whole the stop loss to this level, right? Of new position also and of the earlier position also. But if it closes below this red, then no point. Then I'll not open any position. Yeah, if it closes like this, then I'll open more position size. So I am decreasing little size 0.05. Okay, so I'm opening it, right? You can see I have opened more position, and now I'll shift stop loss to this point, clear? And of this position also to this point, clear? And make whole position target to at least 1:1 of new position and 1:1 of this, right? So new stop loss is at this. Let's see it in this market. It's here 16,739. 16,739, right? So this is the stop loss, you can see, of one position and new one also. 16,739, right? Right, so we have placed the stop loss for both the positions to this point, clear? And let's place the target, or we'll do it later on. And now what will happen if our stop loss is hit? Let me tell you. So what is main idea is, if now we hit stop loss, we will lose all the profit which we have hit, right? For the first trade we have hit our target right now. Basic 1:1.5 is completed. So we'll be now losing, if we hit the stop loss, around $60 again. Now it's the same risk, but almost double, more than double profit chances. Getting it? Now what is the main risk is, you will lose all your profit which you have made till now. First trade we have hit our target, approx. It was around, I don't know whether it was here. So this is beautiful example of pyramiding right now going on. First trade target is now hit. Anyone who have opened his or her position, you can close it. So this new position is opened at 788. Okay, and our stop loss is at 739. So it's how many points? 49 points. Same 49 points is next target. Clear? But let's keep the position running. Main ideology is you have to be very calm and composed. You can sense the way I am speaking, the way I am dealing. I'm very much relaxed. It's not any lottery ticket that I'll be getting $1,000 profit from here. Either we'll be booking around $150 profit or now just simple loss of $70. It is quite possible. At any time now we can close the trade also. It's no hard and fast rule. In pyramiding there is no hard and fast rule, right? It's never like this I have to book 1:1 for sure or not. No. This is now my way. I am thinking that market will go in my way and it will follow the trend. The main thing is you have to be very calm and very composed. Yeah, so we were deciding the target. So it is 49 points is the stop loss. Same 49 points will be the target. So 788 plus 49 is 797 and 4837. So we'll be placing the TP at 837. Right? I hope you're enjoying. Although trading is boring, but when you do pyramiding, it becomes little enjoyable. So it's almost 1 is to 2 for us. Initial risk was $67, I told you, and now it's almost $130, and we are approx 1 is to 2 in profits now. On the same risk, same trade, you have increased your win size, keeping the risk same. So learn something new today. So it's almost 1 is to 2.5. So it has hit the target on trading view. Let's wait for it to hit on the MT5. There's a little difference in prices. On trading view, we have hit the target. If you want, we can close the position also. But let's wait for it to hit the target. Okay, so we have hit the target. Cool. I know it will go now a long way, but you don't have to, be greedy. Right. So how much we made today? So these two are today's position, 142 and 49, right? Approx double of the losses, triple of the losses that we usually take. Let's see our dashboard. Right, so these are today's profit, and now our balance is 10,089. And just see, with a win rate of 40% only, we are still in profit. What matters is this. This should be always more than this. Right? So let's close today's session. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you got to learn something new today. Till then, bye bye, take care, good night. Your host, your friend, Dr. D.